Stop memorizing boring lists. If you want to learn English, you need to connect words to real life. Today, we're going to learn 100 essential words by linking them together in a chain. Don't just listen, visualize the story. Let's start the flow. Block 1. Existence and senses. Imagine you are waking up. This is your life. To experience life, you use your body. On your body, you have a head. Inside your head, you use your mind. You open your eyes to see. You use your ears to hear. You use your hand to touch. You feel with your heart. You take a deep breath. And now you are ready. Block 2. Survival loop. Now your body has needs. You feel hungry, so you need food. You find some bread. Maybe you want meat, or perhaps some rice. You pick up a fork, you start to eat. Now you are thirsty. You pour a glass of water, you drink it all. Now you are full. Block 3. The movement chain. Now that you have energy, let's move. You stand up, you sit down. You start to walk. You want to go faster, so you run. You feel fast, but you get tired, so you become slow. You decide to stop. You look left, you look right. You decide to go forward. Block 4. The emotional spectrum. As you move, you feel emotions. Something good happens and you are happy. Something bad happens and you are sad. Someone shouts and you feel angry. You see a monster and you feel afraid. But then you see a friend and you smile. You laugh at a joke. You cry at a sad movie, you like ice cream, you hate traffic, but most importantly, you love your family. Block 5. Time travel. We live in time. Right now, it is today. The sun comes up in the morning. The sun is high at noon. The sun goes down in the evening. It gets dark at night. You sleep and wake up tomorrow. The day before was yesterday. This happens every week, it happens every month, it happens every year. Block 6. The environment. Look around you. We live in a world. We stand on the ground. We look up at the sky. We see the yellow sun. At night, we see the white moon. If it is wet, it is rain. If it is white and cold, it is snow. If the air moves, it is wind. If it is blazing, it is fire. We swim in the sea. Block 7. Society and people. You are not alone. There are other people. A young male is a boy. A young female is a girl. He grows up to be a man. She grows up to be a woman. They get married and have a baby. Your dad is your father. Your mom is your mother. Together, you are a family. Someone you like is a friend. Block 8. The city life. We live in civilization. We live in a house. You walk through the door. You look out the window. You sleep in a room. Outside there is a street. You work in an office. Children learn in a school. You buy food at a market. Sick people go to a hospital. You travel to a different city. Block 9. Attributes and opposites. Let's describe things. This elephant is big. This mouse is small. The fire is hot. The ice is cold. This pillow is soft. This rock is hard. The light is bright. The shadow is dark. This car is new. This book is old. Everything is good. Block 10. Communication and action. Finally, we must communicate. I speak to you, you listen to me. I ask a question, you answer me. You think about it, you understand me. You say yes, you write it down, you read the word, and now you know English. That was the flow. 100 words connected by logic and life. Listen to this video every morning for 1 week, and these words will become a permanent part of your mind. Thank you for watching.